Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Christina and today we're going to be trying out the Kiss Lash Glue Liner. So this is a lash glue and eyeliner all in one pencil. And right now I don't have any eyeshadow or eye makeup on other than a little bit of mascara. And that's because according to the directions, you're supposed to apply this product to clean, dry eyelids free of moisture or makeup. So that's a little bit weird because most people tend to put on their false lashes after applying their eyeshadow. So today I'm going to be applying this liner to one eye free of eyeshadow, and I'm going to add the eyeshadow onto this eye and then I'll put the eyeliner on after. I want to compare the staying power to see if it makes a difference because personally I would like to put on my lashes after putting on all my eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm going to zoom you guys in. So I'm going to do my right eye first, and this is going to be the eye that's going to be applied on before the eyeshadow. So I'm going to try to apply this eyeliner as thin as I can, but still make it thick enough that I can apply the eyelashes. So I just finished applying the eyeliner and I'm going to stick on the lashes. So there's one eye. So now I'm going to be applying my eyeshadow to both eyes, and then I'm going to apply the liner and lashes on after, and we're going to compare the staying power of each. So the eyeshadow I'm going to be using are these ColourPop Super Shock shadows. So let's just start. Alright, so that's it for my eyeshadow look. I kind of just slap on some eyeshadow. So now it's time to apply the liner. So here's the finished look, and let me show you how they are on. They're actually on pretty well. So now I'm going to be taking my regular eyeliner. I'm just going to be taking my Stila Stay All Day eyeliner. I'm just going to be cleaning up the corners right here and darkening it up, and maybe cleaning up the eyeliner line. Alright, so application of the Kiss Lash Glue Liner was really easy. If you saw, all I needed to do was kind of just stamp the eyeliner on. It's very pigmented and very kind of liquidy. That was really easy, so I feel like any beginner would be able to use this. I didn't have to like draw an eyeliner. I took the long end of the stick and just stamped on my eyeliner. So I think it's really beginner friendly and easy to use. And if you saw as well, applying the eyelash, it was really simple. So you just took it and stuck it on top of the eyeliner. One thing I noticed was that I had trouble putting on the lashes on the eye that had eyeshadow on first. So I had to reapply this twice because it wasn't sticking at some places. I don't know if it was user error or because I had the eyeshadow on first, but I'm going to be wearing these all day long, and I'll update you guys and check in with you guys later to see how each eye compares and see if this will last all day. So the back of the box says it should last all day, but if you have oily skin, it does say you need to reapply. So I'm going to be bringing this with me in case I need to touch up. And yeah, I'll check in with you guys later. have an update on the lash glue liner. It's been about 3 hours after I applied it. I just went to go eat and pick up some cupcakes. So this is how the eyelash is doing on the eye that I applied the eyeshadow first. It's not sticking very well on the edges, but I did bring the lash glue with me, so I'm gonna fix it right now.
I've been traveling the world.
Actually, I noticed this eye is actually falling off too.
Memories again. I made this song for you to see you smile again.
Okay, so I just fixed my lashes. It was really easy. I just applied some of the eyeliner on again and then stuck it back down. And yeah. So we'll see how long these hold up. Alright, I just got back home. I feel like it's been another maybe 30 minutes to an hour ever since I updated you guys in the car about my eyelashes falling out, and here's how they are doing. So the eye that I applied properly, this one, it is really falling off on both ends. This one a little bit in the inner corner, and the outer corner seems to be doing fine. So I don't know if this is because I sweated a little bit from walking outside, but right now it's not doing too well, and I really want to just use regular eyelash glue on it. But I will use the eyeliner and fix it one more time, and then I'll catch up again probably one more time tonight. I'm actually gonna head out to do some pumpkin carving right now. That's why I got the little pumpkin cupcakes. So it'll probably be another couple of hours. So we'll see how they do at the end of the day. And by then I'll probably have enough opinions on these eyeliner and I'll have a full review for you guys. So I'll see you later. Alright, so it's been about 10 hours since application, and you can tell because my makeup is looking a little rough, but I'm ready to give you my final thoughts on the lash glue. I really like the way the eyelash glue and liner applies. It is very liquidy and it's very easy to apply it to your eyes. So that's a plus for the product. And once you apply it, it's also very simple to put on the eyelashes. There's no waiting for glue to dry, and then there's no placing the eyelashes at the wrong spot. Sometimes I would place it too high, sometimes there will be a big gap. But with the lash glue liner, it's very hard to put the eyelashes in the wrong spot. So where I have issues with the product is, as you saw, I had lifting. I had a lot of lifting with the lash glue liner, and it didn't matter if it was because I put the eyeshadow on first or if I applied it to a bare eye. Even with the lifting, it was also so simple to reapply the eyelashes. I just had to reapply some eyeliner and stick it back down. So if you're okay with reapplying your eyeliner a lot, probably every couple of hours, you should be fine. But also, if you have oily eyelids, I really don't think it's gonna work very well, because my eyelids are not usually oily, but I did go for a walk in the sun and I don't want to say I was sweating, but I was starting to glisten, and I feel like maybe that's the reason why my eyelashes were coming off at the edges. But all in all, I really like the product. I'll probably continue using it until it's done, but I don't know if I'll repurchase it. Maybe I'll try the clear version, and maybe the clear version works better. But yes, it's a great product. If the product's on sale and you want to try it, I do recommend it, or I recommend it for beginners who are not good at applying their eyelashes on, because it makes it so easy. I can't even explain. But yes, that's it for my final thoughts on the Kiss Lash Glue Liner. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Out.